Hey guys, we'll get it started now, okay? Two things, guys, okay? Yesterday we have discussed about the community's second scenarios, and we have stuck out and we raised one like a concern with the ticket we have raised it. So, did you guys everyone tried it out on that? Did everyone tried out in the second scenario of the community yesterday? Okay. So, did you guys raise a ticket? Manoj, Javi, Lokesh, others? Did you guys raise the ticket to Microsoft? Okay. Have you got any replied? Have you got any reply? Let's see that whether I have got it or not. Okay, no, if you did not get it, no worries, don't get worried, you'll be getting the record. See, I have got it, okay? So let's see that. Okay, no, this is another one. Okay, another one. Let me go back. Let's understand that what is this guy is telling me, okay? Yes, yes, yes. Let's understand that. Anyway, like, okay, Manoj, did you try it out with this? Did you just try this suggestion? No? Okay. What about other guys? Did you raise it and did you get that answer? Okay, even I just checked it. Even me also get it. Not yet received. Okay, Manoj and Lokesh and team, right? Let's wait for the guys to get the response today evening. Okay, let everyone get the response from the Microsoft today evening. Anyway, tomorrow we are doing the offline sessions. If everything goes fine with the rain and all right, then we'll discuss this. Okay, offline we'll try to done on, work on it. Okay, this one and we have one more thing is architecture. No. So let's do it in like offline things, okay? Because architecture is much more important. We have small topics that we need to discuss in the architecture. Yeah, both this solution and that architecture that we will discussing it tomorrow session offline. It would be easy for you to get into that. Got the point? Online, offline, guys. Let's try to do this in the tomorrow session, offline and online both for the architecture and the solution. But I want everyone to get the error message. I want everyone to create a ticket and we work on that. Please understand that. If you are not creating the ticket, you are not able to understand in the real time what is happening in the real time. Okay, fine. So next thing is, guys, before we wait for the tomorrow session, let's try to do the another thing. What is that? Terraform. As I told you, by guys, Terraform is very like a small topic. Okay, only one scenario there in that. Okay, so let's try to do the theory today. Okay. So let me go and pick up some notes from there. Okay, so as you can see here, dear, okay, Terraform, it's like it has come Microsoft. The development company for the Terraform is called as a HashiCorp. Okay, the development company of Terraform is called as a HashiCorp, dear. Okay, I'll show you that what is the company that has developed the Terraform. We have a company Terraform. Okay, HashiCorp. What is this? This one. Okay, this is the guy they have given that Terraform. Okay, so it is Terraform is also called as a infrastructure as a code. What is that? IaaC, infrastructure as a code. Okay, so you can see that Terraform is the infrastructure as a code software tool created by which company? HashiCorp. But what does we do? We are implementing that Terraform to our Azure DevOps with the help of one scenarios actually. Okay, so basically user defines and data center infrastructure using the derivative configurations called as a HashiCorp. Okay, when it has come in the market, it has come in the July of 2014. It come in the market as a July of 2014. If you go back, this, okay, we have a Terraform. This is that authorized what is that web page of Terraform. You can go into that, and there you can see that AWS also supports it, and Azure also supports it. Okay, you just click on that, you see this. Okay, if you click on that, if you click an out, buddy, right? If you click on that, now you can observe it here, guys. Okay, so we have some documents that is there for Terraform. If you want, you can walk through those documents. Okay, instead of typing it, I'm just trying to go to the website. Instead of typing that document into that notepad, it's better. Can I go with the website itself, or do you want me to type it out, buddy? Every one of you, please respond. Instead of typing and wasting the time, we'll go with the website itself, okay? And then we'll go with the practical sessions on this. Okay, let's see that. What is it says, buddy? Pretty simple. Nothing is there, and okay, we'll copy this and we'll put in that our notes for the year. Okay, so basically, my dear friend, Terraforms is nothing. Okay, what is this? This is the infrastructure as a code that let you build. Can see that? See, my folks. Okay, everyone, buddy, understand, please. Everyone, guys, understand, please. Like how we are using the Kubernetes, right? What is the Kubernetes? Kubernetes is also a tool that is being supported by Azure, that is called as the Azure Kubernetes Services. Okay. Kubernetes is also used to make the development. Okay. Kubernetes is also used to do the development. It is also used to do the deployment and others activity. Similar to that, everything the same as it is as a Terraform also. Terraform also is again separate tool which will take care of your deployment, which will take care of your development as well. Okay, so you can see that it will build it, it will change it, it will have a version control systems efficiently. Okay, now if someone wanted to get into that list that I have given the reference link, that will see it, that you guys can refer it out again for reference link. Now, what is that? Terraform basically is being supported by these 6 components basically. Okay, in that major part is AWS. Terraform is another cloud, separate cloud system for Terraform. Also, they have Oracle has a separate cloud. Azure, we have GCP. Basically, the AWS, Azure, and GCP. These 3 are the main. We are here. We are here to discuss about that Azure. So let's try to understand that how it works. So basically, my dear friends, we have a different steps that we have given into that. Okay. So we have a different steps that we need to follow. Basically, we have a build, change, and destroy that application. Okay. So we'll have some like, step by steps. It'll go to the start one. Okay. So guys, if you have a short notes would be there for the Terraform, you can able to see that. Okay. But what we would be doing it will not be, because since if you're doing for the master session, you need to go these all things. Okay. But since we are into the DevOps guys, okay, we are not into development part. So we just have to configure with the Terraform deployment procedure. So we need to know what is the deployment procedure that we are doing it. Okay. How we are deploying any application with the help of the Terraform, that we need to do it. Okay. If you want it, let's see, you have to go to this notes actually. Okay, some reference notes you need to go there. So let's click on this network reference notes. Let me come to this phase. Okay, I have come over here. Okay, let's see. So basically, this is for the Terraform development or DevOps. Basically, you can see that. Can you see here? Azure DevOps Terraform. This is related, core related to the Terraform buddy. Okay, that too, this is the part we need it. Others is not required. Okay, so this is for the DevOps guys. So this is the example they have given it as a open answer so that we know already. Okay, now what all the things the Terraform extension we have it. This says that Terraform will support in the different extensions, AWS also, GCP also, and Terraform Cloud also. Actually, we have to know these few actually steps in that here. We have some commands that we have to know here. Got the point here? Actually, in the Terraform, we do have some commands that we need to know here. But basically, my friends, okay, all the command is not needed. Few can like initiative, validate, okay, apply, okay. Like these all 4-5 commands are there that is mandatory for us to know that. Anyway, we are learning it like when we are trying to learn it, the first scenario of your Terraform. So it gives the clear information about your like how to do the service connection with the AWS account, how to do with the GCP account. Okay, and it'll go with the next also. So Terraform, it has gone it. Okay, then it will go to your like others as well. Okay, so it is saying that how you are creating a service connection, how you are creating that application development. Can you see? Okay, so Azure, AWS, GCP, so all with the help of different things, how we are doing it with the pipeline. Okay, so this all it shows that with this image diagram and this reference document. If you have free time, please go through that. If you don't have, like no worries. I have already make a note of that. I have already like taken a screenshot document also for you. So that will be easy for you to understand it. Okay. Let me go back to my page. Okay. To notes where I am over here. I'll just walk through with the notes first and then I'll move ahead with the next thing guys. Okay. Let's see. Very simple. Only one scenario. Straightforward scenario. Nothing is there in that. Okay. How to deploy it. Very first is you need to create a project dedicated to the Terraform. Separate project will create for the Terraform. Do you get the point? How will create? Separate project. We know that already, right? Creating project is not a big deal. Okay. Very good. Now, need to have a repo actually. Repo means need to have a file that is there in your repository. Basically, some files that is there in your system for your like, what is it? If some file is there with you which will have that Terraform like code and all, that will work out. Okay, so that is the file that I'm having it. So I wanted to show you that like how it look like. So let me go back to here. Okay, and I'll try to log into my GitHub account real quick. This is my GitHub account. Okay, so once you log in over there in the GitHub account, right? So we'll have, as I know that I told you, right? You also make like this, okay? So I have shared you the Docker file. I have shared you that Kubernetes file, right? Similar to that, you keep it here. So you can see somewhere would be that Terraform would be there, okay? You can see somewhere I will have a Terraform. Where is that? Yes, Terraform. Okay. CK Navin Terraform demo. Okay. So you can see here, this is also talking about the same thing. Try to import the Git repository. Try to import the Git UI and go with this github.com CK Navin and Terraform demo. It is there with you. Okay, dear. So what I'll be I'll be going and opening it for you. Okay. Now see, these two are the files for that. Okay. We have two things. This is the README file. This is the YAML file. And this is the Terraform main.dat file. Okay. So this is the main important file that you have. You just try to open it out and see. Actually, if we go back to the Terraform, we have a different parameters that you have to see it here. What is that? In that Terraform, actually, can you see this? Just read this, learn, it will come to know. We'll define it. Okay, what we'll define? First, we'll define the block. Second, we'll go with the versions. Second, we'll go with the providers. Third, we'll go with the storage provider. Okay, so these all the functions are there. So basically, in this, you must be aware of that, buddy. In the Terraform, there is something called as a resource RM. Okay, Azure RM. RM is nothing, it's called as a resource manager, buddy. Okay. So this is the file that we have got it from the development team. Okay. So this all is all about the resource RM, everything is coming over here. So I would be using this Terraform file only for my deployment purpose. Okay. So that it is telling about, go to the GitHub repo, search for the GitHub repository where you have a Terraform file. Okay. And clone your URL. Okay. HTTP link for the GitHub Terraform demo, import the repo or build the pipeline. Classic edit. You know, this pipeline and all, like, let's see. We'll try to go ahead and create it all these all first. Okay. Yes, Lokesh, I would be sharing it. Okay. Entire link I will be sharing to you. Let's do it parallelly only. You can have a look here, guys. Okay. This is the link that you can use it. So I request everyone. I already sent the link to you. Can you clone it? Yes, please. First, make it 4 locations. Okay. So that it will be there in your system. Make it 4. Then later you can clone it out. Okay. Everyone, did you get the point? So what we are doing it, after that, we have to create a pipeline. Okay, in that pipeline, you need to just choose these things. Okay, artifact, we are gonna do that. Artifact will go that, and then we'll go to the DevOps space. And DevOps, we have to create this tool install and everything. We need to do it. Okay. So before we go ahead with that, we have one document also again for this. So let's try to go and download that document real quick. With the screenshot document, it is there. Okay, for you guys, I have taken it out. See, as you can see that, buddy, okay. I just tried to make a note of this. My system got stuck actually. It need a quick restart actually. Maybe it might take few minutes, 2 minutes of time. Please let it get completed. It is taking 2 minutes of time, guys. Okay. Let it get completed here. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll just try to go with this as well. Okay. So let's see. What's up? No, it's stuck out actually. Completely stuck, buddy. Not able to go to this page. Yes. So you can see here. Can I scroll down? Don't think it's stuck completely there. Okay, I think it will take another 2-3 minutes of time to complete, not more than that. My apologies, guys. Aniket, thank you. Guys, it's taking some time. Like, can you be there on the call? Shall I do it a quick restart my system? Will you guys be there on the call? Can I do it quick restart my system? It will take 5 minutes of time. I'll back and like because it's not allowing me to go inside. Okay, guys, you guys be there on the call. Don't drop it, okay? Can you see I cannot able to perform any activity at all. Okay, so I'll just give a quick restart of my system. You guys don't leave it out, okay? Please be there on the call. Okay, thank you. Let me drop off here, okay? Hey guys, hi, thank you, Uma. Okay, so we were discussing about the Terraform, right? So we are trying to do the practical over there, okay? So as I told you, right, I would be showing with that like document first, and then I will do the practical. So let me go with. Can someone confirm whether you are able to hear me clearly before we move forward? Someone please confirm me whether you are able to hear me or not before we move forward. Okay, thank you, dear. Okay, so it's getting started. It's downloaded. Let me go to the download section. I could find out there. Why this is. Okay, I'll just try to walk through here itself. Okay, this you know that already, right? So what we are doing first we'll try to create a pipeline. Okay, in the pipeline, we'll try to make it out as a what is that? We go with the release one. Okay, we'll try to follow the steps, and I'm talking about the release one. Okay, in that release pipeline, if you try to create, we have a 4 different jobs that you have to choose. Okay, Terraform latest one, Terraform initiative, Terraform validated, Terraform apply. That will do it, and then later we'll go with the like initiation. Then later we'll try to go with your like validation, and then later we'll go with the validation. After that we'll go with the apply. So we'll try to do one by one. Okay, so don't worry. So let me come up first and let's try to follow the steps. So what is the very first steps? It says that you have to create a dedicated project for the Terraform. Okay, so let's do the DevOps space and create a dedicated project for us. So dev.azure.com I'll go. Okay, I'll go to the dev.azure.com. I'll go and create a new dedicated project, buddy. Okay, I'll try to go ahead with the new dedicated project, it seems. Okay, so let me go here. Let's try to come over there in this, okay, and create a new dedicated project. Okay, go to your Azure 9 AM July batch, right? So, but we want to create a new project now. Let's click the new project. Okay, let's click on the new project, my dear friends. Okay, so let's create it out. Okay, just choose as a Terraform project. Okay, that's it. Let's click on the create option. Okay, let it get completely. So I'm getting that Terraform option. Okay, so this is my project created. Now what I need to do, I need to go ahead and I need to add my what is that? I need to add my uh repo. So can you see the repo is blank now? Everyone dear, can you observe it? The repo is blank now. Okay, my repo is blank now. So I'll try to go with the another option. Okay, I'll try to go with another option here. Right. So where is my repo? My repo is the GitHub. So what I'll do, I'll try to go here. I'll try to log into my GitHub real quick. I'll go to my GitHub and I'll see where is my code. My code is in the Terraform demo. I'll go here. I'll try to go with the Terraform demo here. Got the point? I'll try to go to the Terraform demo here. Okay. So let's try to go to Terraform demo there. Right. and you have to copy this one and copy this URL. Are you able to get the point, everyone? Come on, dear, everyone able to get the point? You have to copy this URL. Do you want me to do one more time, or it's clear? It's clear, right? You have to go to your home page. After going to your home page, okay, after going to your home page, what you need to observe it, buddy, here is when you guys are going to your home page, you have to come to where is your Terraform, where is your like option for the Terraform is. You get the Terraform option real quick. After that, you have a codes. Click on the codes and try to get it for a copy. Okay, this clone, you wanted to clone it, right? So HTTPS and clone it, copy it. After copying, need to go to the repo part. Okay, since this is a new repo, no? So I'll just try to import the repository. Or I'll just click on the initialize, later I'll import it, okay? Now I'll go back here. I'll try to import repository. Got the point? What to do? Import repository. That is there in the GitHub, no? So your code is there somewhere. You wanted to get it here. So you have to go with the import repository. Now give the clone URL that you have got it copied from your option, right? So just try to go there and write as a Terraform Git. You can change this name, your choice. Got the point here? Now after that, click on the import. So can you see the on its way? My Terraform file is coming from there to this location. It is coming up. Okay. So my Terraform file has already come up to this place. Okay. So my Terraform file has already come up to this place here. Okay. I'm good now with this. So let's try to go ahead and understand the other things now. Okay. What is other thing that we have to understand it here? What is? Okay. Next thing is your file is here in this space. So main.tf is there or not? So let's say it is coming up already. Okay. So what is the next space? Let's try to go. Okay. Next we have to go ahead. Okay. Import. We have to go ahead and like import the repo. We have to create a build pipeline that will do it out. Okay. Copy file, publish build artifact that we need to do. But before we wanted to do it out, okay, try to go to your like organization setting. Try to go to your organization setting. You have organization setting now. Okay. So you haven't downloaded with you the Terraform, right? So let's click on this organization setting, guys. Everyone, please focus here. You have to go to your organization setting here. This place. Click on it. I wanted to download Terraform. So what I need to do here? Because Terraform is a third-party tool. It's not with Microsoft Azure. Kubernetes, you don't have to do it. Kubernetes, they have own part, right? But Terraform is a third party. So what I need to do? Dear, what I need to do? I wanted to download it. Very good, Aniket. So we'll go with the extension. We'll go with the extensions and we'll see Terraform is there or not. Since my system is already there, for you guys, it will not be there. Okay. For that, I'll be making the use of some other organization. I'll go with a just training organization just for their reference. Okay. I have over there. So let's try to go to the organization setting for me. Okay. I'll go to the extension. Right. I'll go to the extension. Here also I have downloaded. Okay. Leave it then. No other go. I need to go back to my training group only. So go to your Terraform project. Okay. Right. So go to your Terraform project here. Let's go to your organization setting. Where is this? Training in 11, right? Go there. Click on the organization setting over there and type, let's see, I want to make it here as a extension. Click on the extension. For you guys, it will not be coming Terraform. For you guys, you have to go to the browse marketplace. Where you have to go? You have to go to the Browse marketplace. Click on that browse marketplace. Okay. And type it as a Terraform. Here you need to type it as a Terraform. Got the point, guys? You have to type as a Terraform. And you just click on the click here. We have a multiple Terraform will be coming up. So tell me, I wanted to know from you, which one you will select. We have multiple. I just wanted to check it from you. Out of this, which one Terraform I should be selecting it? What should be selecting it? Which one I should be selecting it here? Out of these many, you're right. You're right. You're right. Lokesh, Aniket, everyone right. Yes. So guys, basically we would be selecting the thing where I have a multiple downloads, and apart from that, we would be selecting that where we have option of okay, where we have an option of Microsoft one. Okay, so let's try to go there. You can observe it, multiple are there, but in that this is given by the Microsoft Dev Labs. That means Microsoft DevOps has given into this picture. Okay, so you just click on that download here, click here and just type it as a get it free. Okay, get it free. Since it is already installed, for me it will not be accepting it. Okay, you can download it. Okay, so which organization? This organization only you can download it also. Right, it has already started downloading. It says that very fine. Now we have done this procedure. What is the next step that we need to follow? What is the next step that guys we need to follow? So we have done with this. We are done with the organization. You're good. You're good with the other setup. Release pipeline will go. Before the release pipeline, we need to go with the build pipeline. So build pipeline story is this one. Okay. So we have repo with me. We'll go to the build pipeline. Okay. We'll come here. We'll go to our project. We'll go to the Terraform project real quick. Okay. And here we'll try to go and create a build pipeline. Just click on the pipeline. Click on the pipeline here. You have option create your first pipeline, right? You have option of create your first pipeline. So automate your build and release pipeline process using our wizard and go from the cloud hosted to within that minute. So let's click on the create pipeline. Okay. You need to go to the classic editor here. Right. So where is your code now? Guys, where is your code now? Can someone please let me know where is my code? Is it in the GitHub or is it in the Azure repo Git? Shall I use this one or shall I use this one? Where is my code now? You're right, buddy. Everyone, yeah, Manoj. My code is both the places, but I'll make, since I have already got it from my where I have got it from there to here, right? So I'll make the use of Azure repo only. Got the point? Okay, so we have got the thing. So what we will do, we'll try to go ahead and we'll try to create that. Okay, so let's click on this. We have a Terraform Git only, master branch only, continue it. Okay, what job? Empty job. Now you need to choose the jobs actually. Okay, which type of you'll be activities you'll be choosing it. Click it here. What is that? Copy file and publish build artifact. You know these all things, right? Common thing. So just to go with the copy file. And apart from that, publish build artifact. Okay. Publish build artifact. Let's go with the publish build artifact. Right here. We'll go to the copy file. We'll try to resolve it. So you have to tell me, buddy, what all things we don't know. So we have something copy file. We already know that copy file is there. Source folder. Where is my source folder? Where is my source folder? It is there inside this source folder, Terraform. and then main.tf or Azure pipeline.yaml. Tell me, dear, what should I choose? Can someone help me with this? Can someone help me with this? What should I choose here? Help me out here. Okay. Okay. Right. So don't do it anything. Just make it as a Terraform here itself. Okay. It'll pick up automatically from their place. Okay. If not picking up here, then I'll go there and I'll try to make it as a Terraform or YAML pipeline file. Okay. Right here, Manoj and everyone. What's the point? So we'll go with the content. Content is the already there. So target is a blank. So let's try to copy the target. Copy the target here. If it is failing, then we'll go with that option. Okay, dear. It's there. Now I'll go to the pipeline. Here also nothing is there. I don't want it to go with any location. Pipeline, everything remain to be same. Publish artifact. These all would be the same place. Okay. Right, dear. So I'll not be choosing anything at all. Right. Drop the location, everything, and not be choosing anything. If they ask me, then I'll go with this. Okay. Let's try to run it and see. Let's run it out and see there. Meanwhile, I'll try to put a charge. So let it get completed, let it get fail. We'll see the error message, we'll resolve it. So can you see this? Okay, automatically it had picked up. Okay. So automatically it had picked up. I haven't chosen anything over there. Sai, I was on mute, Sai. Okay. I was not talking. It was I just let it pass and then I went to take the charger. Okay. So are you able to hear me now, Sai? Sai, is it clear now? Please confirm. Sai, is it clear? Come on, please tell me. Okay, good. So, buddy, you can see that it has passed it. Okay. So we have got that response from them and we have generated the artifact as well. Okay. So go there and see artifact has been produced. Leave this. What is the next thing that we have to do, my dear friends? Now we need to go with the release pipeline. Okay. We will go with the release pipeline here. Guys, understand that repo that you are getting from development, they will be giving it to you. No need to worry at all. Okay. The developer will try to put your codes into the repository or GitHub, anything. They can give you the link also. You have to import the repository. So what you have to do now, you need to go to the release pipeline, right? Let's come and go with the release pipeline. Let's create a new release. Okay, I'll go with the empty job. I'll go with the empty here. I'll try to click on add artifact. Where is my artifact? Artifact is here only in that project only. Okay. So let's choose that. This is my artifact here. Come in here. Let's try to click on the create option. Okay. Now let's try to go with the one job here. We have one option called one job, right? Let's click on the one job, click on over there. So what should I choose? So let's observe this here. So now you need to choose the job. First job, you need to choose a Terraform tool installer and other 3 jobs would be Terraform, Terraform, Terraform. Total, we'll have 4 jobs, guys. Do you get the point? Total 4 jobs you have to choose it, my dear friends. Okay. First would be the Terraform tool installer. Then next would be Terraform, Terraform, Terraform. Second would be the Terraform initialization. Third would be the validate, and fourth would be the apply. Okay, let's see that. Click it here. Choose the Terraform installer. Can you see here? Terraform 2 installed is coming up. Okay, just choose that once. Next, what you need to choose? Terraform, right? So let's choose the Terraform. Again, next time Terraform. Again, next time Terraform. 3 times Terraform. Okay, we'll see. I'll show you that how why 3 times. Okay, first we'll go with the installer. So this is the normal thing. There is no change in that. Second one is something called that you have to go with the what options. I have already taken it out, right? These documents. So it is there now. So let's try to walk through this. The very first thing that what I did, buddy, installer. So did I make any change in installer? Can you observe it? The screenshot is screen is clear, right? You're able to see this. This one it should be able to clear now. Are able to see this? Come on, dear everyone. Okay. So first one, I'm not doing any changes at all. I'll go with the second one, dear. Okay. Is it clear here? Is it better now, Lokesh? Okay. So see Lokesh and team. First is the Terraform installer only. Okay. So in that I haven't made any changes here. Okay. So let me go to the second one, team. Second one is what I wanted to go with the Terraform initialization. So I'll just go with the Terraform initialization. In that I'll choose as initialization and command name I'll make it initialization and choose the drop location there. Okay. I'll choose the drop location there. Okay. That's it. We are doing it. Okay. It is the same case like we are. Okay. And you have to write one more thing. I just missed it to do it. Okay. You need to create a storage account actually. Got the point? For initiating any Terraform, you have to create it initialization account. Got it? You need to create one initialization account. So guys, can we complete it because it takes some time? Okay, we have to create the storage account. After storage account, you have to create a container in it. Then after that, this 4 processes we do. Do you want it to do it now or shall we do it continue tomorrow offline session? Okay, but what you guys will be doing tomorrow, today? Today assignment would be, what is the assignment for you? You just try to do it out one more time. Okay, let's see how much we are able to complete it out. From there, at least let's complete the 2 processes here. Okay, right, buddy? So let's do it out. What is the option over there? We have this option of like Azure storage, no? So I'll go and create a storage first. Okay, so I'll go and create a storage first. Let me go here. I'll go to my portal account real quick. Let me complete it out. Okay, you guys also try it at home. I'll give this test to you. Don't worry. If you're not able to do, we'll see tomorrow again. I'll create a storage for you all. We need to create a storage. Yep, Javeer, others will not be able to know. Okay, so let me do it. Storage for Terraform. Okay, so it's already been taken, it seems. Okay, let's see. No, this is available. Okay, I'll go with the LRS, advanced networking, data protection, encryption stacks, review. I'll go with the create option. Okay, so my deployment is in progress. Let it get completed. After the deployment is completed, you have to create your what is that? You need to create it container. So let me go to the container where you will create a container. No, so in container your Terraform. Why this is infrastructure as a code, right? So your Terraform. See, we are not doing any deployment here. We are just creating an infrastructure code, and we would be storing that infrastructure code to your container location. That's it. Got the point here? Why this is used for just to create an infrastructure code. Hope you understand that here. Terraform is used to create a infrastructure as a code. So whatever the development team, the code they'll give it to you, you need to create an infrastructure code, and again you need to give this code to your like we have some team in that organization. What is called? I've forgotten the name. Not infrastructure code. There is a implementation team. Yes. So we need to give this code whatever we are getting the infrastructure. You need to give to the implementation. That's it. That is the job of Terraform. Okay. So let's try to go and see what we need to do. We will add a container now. Hello. Okay. Let's go and click on the create option. Okay. Hello world is been created here. A container has been added here. So what you need to do now? You need to do now. You go to here. The first job is your Azure RM job, right? Let's make it as a initialization here. Okay. So command is good. Now what we need to do? We need to choose that configuration location, means drop location. We need to choose it. So go there, buddy. Choose the drop location here. Click on OK. Right here. Let's come down, come down, come down. You need to choose the subscription. Okay. That connection, service connection subscription. Why? Okay. Now, can someone tell me why we need this? Why there's a need of subscription here? Yes, why we need a subscription here? What is the use here? We are not taking the Kubernetes. Sorry, Kubernetes we are doing it, but why we need here? What is the use of subscription? Yes, dear, because we are using that storage account to store our infrastructure as a code. That's the reason it is using it. Okay, very good. Let's try to go and open your subscription. Let's try to give it our subscription here. Okay, it might have loaded here. Let's see. Can you see? No. Okay, guys, tell me what happened here. Why I'm not able to get the subscription? Give me the quick answer, please. Give me the quick answer, please. Come on, quickly. why I'm not able to see my subscription here. What's the reason behind that? Got the point, Manoj. Very good. Others, come on, dear. You are right. Others, come on. No connection. Okay, that's fine. Yesterday we see no the connection where the right new SC. Yeah, buddy. The reason for that is, my dear friend, it's a new project, right? Again, we need to create a subscription and all. It will take some time creation. Let's do it tomorrow session, guys. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just try to save it now. I cannot even save it. I haven't mentioned it. Okay, that's fine. So release pipeline will be conducting tomorrow, dear. Yes, we need to create a service connection again, Aniket. Okay, for the current account. Guys, let me share this document to you straight away. You just give a try. At least build pipeline, you do it out. Release pipeline, I'll be explaining one more time to you. Got the point, Lokesh? Another guys, okay, please try to do it. Release pipeline also. Let's observe. Document is very clear. Okay, the document is pretty clear enough here. Can you see? Every line I have mentioned you. Step by step, every line, every steps I have taken it the screenshot. So I don't think it should be a problem to you. Okay, you just give a try. If not, anyway, we are doing it tomorrow. Right here. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Take care. Let me make a note of that here.